Hello and welcome. I'm Natalie Spielmann, your trusted Florida real estate expert, specializing in luxury homes right here in Palm Beach Gardens. With over 15 years of experience helping families from across the US and Europe, I focus on finding not just a house, but the perfect lifestyle here in South Florida. In today's video, I'm excited to introduce you to one of the most talked about new construction homes, the Meridian Plan at Apex at Avenir. If you've been searching for a property that blends elegance, comfort, and world-class amenities, this home may be exactly what you've been waiting for. The Meridian Plan features 5 spacious bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, and more than 4,100 square feet of living space, all designed with today's luxury buyer in mind. Priced from $1.52 million, it offers a rare opportunity to own in one of Palm Beach Gardens' premier master plan communities. As we walk through together, you'll notice the soaring ceilings, a gourmet chef's kitchen with quartz countertops, a spa-inspired primary suite, and versatile living spaces perfect for family gatherings or entertaining guests. Life at Avenir means enjoying resort-style amenities every day. A stunning clubhouse, a fitness center, tennis and pickleball courts, a resort-style pool, scenic walking and biking trails, and highly rated schools nearby. Plus, you'll be just minutes from pristine beaches, world-class golf, and Palm Beach's finest dining. Stay with me until the end. I'll share insider tips on why so many buyers from New York, California, and Europe are choosing Avenir as their new Florida home base. So let's step inside and explore the stunning Meridian Plan at Apex at Avenir together. Why buyers love Avenir. Resort-style living every day. Imagine waking up to palm-lined streets, enjoying a swim in a sparkling pool, or playing a morning game of tennis or pickleball, all without leaving your neighborhood. At Avenir, every day feels like a vacation. Spacious luxury homes. Avenir offers brand new homes built by some of the top builders in Florida, including GL Homes. Designs like the Meridian Plan feature 5 bedrooms, open layouts, gourmet kitchens, spa-inspired bathrooms, and energy-efficient construction. Perfect for families. Parents love that Avenir is close to top-rated Palm Beach Garden schools. The community also has playgrounds, safe walking and biking trails, and plenty of green space for kids to play. Prime Palm Beach Gardens location. Avenir is just minutes from the best that Palm Beach has to offer. Beaches with white sand and turquoise water. World-class golf courses. Fine dining and shopping at places like the Gardens Mall and PGA Boulevard. Easy access to Palm Beach International Airport. Smart investment for the future. Palm Beach Gardens continues to grow, and Avenir is one of the fastest rising communities in demand. Homes here are not just places to live, they are strong investments for your future. Key features of Avenir: over 4,700 acres of natural beauty, more than 2,400 acres of protected conservation land, a future town center with shops, cafes, and services right in the community, modern clubhouse and fitness center, beautiful walking and biking trails, on-site tennis, pickleball and basketball courts, pet-friendly spaces and community parks. Why move to Avenir now? With demand high and limited new construction in Palm Beach Gardens, the best homes in Avenir sell quickly. Families from New York, California, and Europe are moving here for the sunshine, low taxes, and luxury lifestyle that Florida is known for. If you've been thinking about a move, Avenir is your chance to enjoy a safe, modern, and vibrant community at prices that are still more affordable than other Palm Beach luxury neighborhoods.